Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn how to make easy vegetable pasta. Here I have taken some water and I have put some salt and oil in it and I have boiled some pasta. Then I have taken a kadai and I have taken some vegetables. You can take any vegetables you want to take. Then heat up the kadai and put some vegetable oil into it. After that, I have put some garlic into the hot oil. Then I have put some onions into the hot oil. And stir it all well. After that, I have put some carrots. Mix them all. Then I have put some broccoli. Again mix it all. Then I have put some yellow corns. Mix all the vegetables properly. Then I have put some capsicum. Mix it all. Let all the vegetables get cooked properly. Then I have taken some salsa sauce and I have put 6 spoons of salsa sauce into the vegetables. Then I have put some ketchup. After that, I have put some boiled pasta into it. Then I've put some salt, then some oregano mix and some black pepper. Mix all the vegetable, all the spices and the pasta together. Stir it for some time. After that, I've put some soya sauce into it. This will really enhance the taste. Mix it all properly. Keep the flame in high and mix all the vegetables and the pasta and the spices together. After that, I've put some mozzarella cheese. It will really give that creamy texture to the pasta. Turn the stove off and your pasta is done. Thank you for watching my channel. Do like and share and subscribe and comment.